What's up, guys? Mike Shana back with another Michigan Muscle video. I've got my Camaro in the background, obviously. And then, yes, Grifka's got a new car. It's a 2010? Yep. 2010 CTSV. This is not stock either. I don't know if you guys can tell in my camera, but that's not the stock supercharger. We're gonna go over that in a little bit, but it's like 1,000 wheel horsepower. It's really fast, and it's not a nitrous either. So that's at least what he told me. I don't know. The guy in Craigslist said it was 1,000 wheel horsepower. It's probably like 500, but you know, we'll take a look later. But the reason we're here, I'm out in a big open parking lot right now, is I'm sure you guys saw my last videos too. I've got my Nitto NT555 G2s on the car right now. And I burn through tires really fast. These tires have only lasted me probably 4,000 miles. And that was with a trip to Florida too, by the way. So I burned through them really quick, but I'm getting ready to finish them off. I've got another set that's gonna get put on tomorrow. So I figured what better way to say a farewell to these tires than roast them off in a big parking lot and do a bunch of donuts. But the only difference here is I'm not gonna be driving the car. I'm gonna be having my girlfriend, Brandy, who's never done donuts before in her life, do donuts in my car. So I don't know, she's never driven like a car that's not like 500 plus whatever horsepower before, or on bald tires either. So that's why we're in a giant open parking lot, because this car likes to slide. You can handle it?
I don't even know.
It'll be fun. I just hope she doesn't blow it up, which she might, I don't know. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Griff, you gonna do any burnouts too?
No.
Why not?
Because I got new tires, but they're not going on tomorrow. So
Yeah, see, Grifka is afraid to do burnouts.
Next weekend.
He's afraid of the power.
Next weekend.
You let your girlfriend do burnouts?
She hasn't even driven it.
So yes. Dude, they could do like drifts together.
No one's driven it yet.
That'd be sweet, actually.
No.
No?
Maybe one day.
One day? Like tomorrow?
Friday.
That's besides the fact. Okay,
Friday.
we'll get Grifka to do it at some point. But right now, we're gonna get Brandy in the car, and we're gonna, hopefully she won't crash the car. We're gonna show her how to do some donuts and big smoky burnouts and roast the tires off the rims. So hopefully enough to get the car back in one piece to my house. So let's go for it. Oh boy, this is weird being in the passenger seat of my own car. Get your seatbelt and everything.
Just start it up?
Yeah, fire her up. You want to put it in, like, we'll leave it in sport mode right now. But then we're going to put it in competitive mode. You know how to do that?
No.
No? Let's check this out. So I think to go down. So you want to double tap the traction control button. And now we're in competitive mode. Alright, so you're going to want to, like, start off in first gear.
Okay.
Obviously, right? So you go ahead and put it in drive, like that. Now you're in first. And then what you're gonna want to do is don't do a burnout by Ryan's car. He won't be happy. There it is. But you're gonna slide around like we already talked about earlier. But you're gonna slide around in first, and then you're gonna hit second gear as you're sliding, and just hold it and kind of feather the throttle, right? So you want to like bounce it a little bit.
Okay.
You know? Yeah. And that way you're not gonna like don't redline the car, but you can kind of see what it feels like to spin around. And we'll go from there. Right, so roll forward. Don't hit them.
I'm not gonna hit them. That's like a felony, isn't it?
No, it's fine. Okay, so like kind of like shoot for over there, and then you're gonna want to turn the wheel. Yeah, so you can do it like right here. So like turn the wheel and floor it.
Just turn the wheel and floor it?
Yeah.
Well, what if I hit
You can see what it feels like. Just do a little one. You gotta give it more gas than that.
Okay.
So like go back. So you can.
Okay. More gas?
More gas.
Okay.
Floor it.
Okay.
And like yeah.
Am I gonna hit them?
No, go for it.
Okay.
Go. Ready? Go. See, that was good. That was good. Isn't that sweet?
That was so cool.
Alright, so back in first. So now what you want to do is keep on the throttle, right? Okay. So keep on the gas when you start spinning. Keep on the gas so you can like let the wheel kind of sit and float. And then you can hit second gear.
Okay, so hit second gear.
Well, keep it in first. Try to like keep it going in first.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ready? Try
that
it
was
again.
So cool. Okay, I don't want to hit them, so I'm gonna do it in the same spot. Okay, here we go.
Okay, go for it.
So when do I go into second?
Just try it in first.
Okay, so I just keep turning?
Yeah, so like just keep it going, you know?
No.
So like, you know how like you straighten it back out? You want to keep hitting the gas though.
Okay, so I just keep going and going and going and going and
Yeah.
going.
More gas, gas, gas. Gas, gas, gas. Second, ready? Gas. Oh, too late.
I feel like I'm really
No,
bad at this.
you're doing great. You're doing great.
Oh, look at the smoke.
Isn't that awesome?
I feel like, do I like not turn the steering wheel as
Well,
much?
so check this out. So stop the car. Here,
Okay.
stop the car.
Okay.
Just hit the brake.
Okay.
Okay, now, what I have you do, you put your left foot on the brake.
Oh, burnout.
Yeah, but then we're gonna keep it going. Okay. So now, I'll tell you when to left the brake, okay? So like, medium brake pressure, now floor it. Now put off the brake and go. No, you missed it, see?
Oh, I'm sorry.
So it's fun too. So now you're in second.
Okay.
So now just floor it and turn the wheel.
Floor it.
Floor it and turn the wheel, go.
Floor it and turn the wheel?
Yeah. PMs, yo.
I almost hit
So go back out. You're doing good, you're doing good.
I almost
Still wanna
hit them.
Okay, so now ready? So now turn the wheel.
Okay, like this?
Yup, and then you just want to keep it to the floor.
Just to the floor? I don't
Floor
want to
it.
hit them.
Okay, ready? Floor it. Now keep going. Floor. No, you missed it.
I know, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, what am I trying to do?
You're trying to keep the tires roasting.
Oh, I'm trying to keep the tires roasting?
Yeah, you want to keep them going.
Well, how do I do that?
Just keep your foot on the floor. You keep throttling it.
Just keep, oh, like feathering it.
Yeah, exactly. So you're getting it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Oh, look at all the little marks I'm making. I'm so proud of myself.
You ready?
Okay. I'm so
Okay,
nervous.
and floor. Wheel, floor, no.
Wait, they stopped.
Stop. Okay.
They're calling the cops. Let's go. They're calling. Go. How'd I do?
Really good.
Really?
Oh yeah, that was awesome.
I didn't know what I was doing. I was so lost.
All right, so we had to dip out a little early because there was some guy that literally came out of nowhere. We're out in the middle of pretty much nowhere, right? Like, big open parking lot, there's nothing around. Some dude just appears, started chasing after us. So we didn't want the cops. Oh, that might be him behind us, actually. So we're trying to get out of here. He was not very happy, but I was just trying to teach her how to do donuts. That was all. I don't know what the big deal was. Well, we didn't get to totally roast the tires, but we still got a pretty good burnout in. So what'd you think?
That was insane.
How was your first burnout?
That was so cool. Oh my
Was it
gosh.
fun?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so I think her first burnout went pretty well. We had somebody chase after us, call the police, whatever. It was pretty interesting. It was a good burnout, though. You saw the video. It wasn't bad for your first one. It wasn't bad at all. Yeah, so definitely let me know what you think. The tires still aren't finished off yet, so I'm probably going to drop a clip at the end of this and completely finish them off, do a giant rolling burnout or something like usual. But let me know what you guys think. So as always,
Like and subscribe.